we'll guide you through how to use Stripe issuing to manage and create virtual and physical cards for your business. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Stripe dashboard on your computer and log in with your credentials. Once you're in, look for the Issuing section on the left sidebar and click on it. This is where you can manage all your card issuance activities. To create a new card, click on the Create Card button. You'll be prompted to choose between a virtual or physical card. Select the type of card you need. For a virtual card, you'll be able to generate it instantly, while a physical card will require additional details for mailing. Enter the necessary information such as the cardholder's name and spending limits. You can also set specific controls like limiting transactions to certain merchant categories or setting spending ceilings to manage your expenses better. After setting up the card details, confirm them by clicking Create. If you're creating a physical card, you'll need to provide the shipping address and any additional instructions. Once the card is created, you can view its details in the dashboard, where you can track usage, view transaction history, and even freeze the card if necessary. Don't forget to monitor your card usage regularly to ensure everything is in order. This system is incredibly flexible, allowing you to streamline expenses and easily manage your financial operations. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.